Morning students, today we are going to the reading of page number 69, chapter sound. Yesterday we have learnt about the sound. We hear many sounds all around us, the chirping of birds, the cracking of a door, the beating of a drum. All things which make a sound have one thing in common: they shake. When the vibrating air makes our eardrum vibrate, we hear sound. Now, today we are going to the reading of reflection of sound. Like a reflection of light, in the same way, sound is reflected when it strikes a hard surface. Okay? Now, start the reading. Vibrations can bounce back if they strike a smooth, hard surface. Sound waves bounce off hard surface such as walls, floors, and ceilings. Now turn the page number 70. Echo. The bouncing back of sound is called an echo. The example of ship. When sound waves hit a barrier such as a cliff, they bounce back and we hear the sound again. This reflected sound is called an echo. In a covered space such as a tunnel, the echoes are very loud because the reflected sound cannot escape. Echo detection. Echoes can be used to detect shoals of fish, submarine, or wrecked ships on the seabed. Sound waves are sent down into the sea from an instrument on a ship called an echo sounder. The time taken for the echo to bounce back to the ship can be used to work out the position and shape of the objects beneath the ship. Maps of the seabed can also be made in the same way. इको लोकेशन, इको की जो लोकेशन है वो क्या है हम देखते हैं. Bats make high squeaking sounds and use their ears to pick up the echoes from objects around them. This is called echolocation. You can see it here. Bats use echolocation to find their way. Bat जो है चमगादड़ जिसे कहते हैं, ये साउंड के साथ जो है रास्ता फाइंड कर लेती है अपना. It helps bats to find their way in the dark and to catch food such as flying insects. Noise pollution. Noise is any sound that is unpleasant. It is any sound that we do not like. Noise is produced by jet airliner, moving machines for cutting grass, rushing motorcycles and scooters, and of course the honking of horns on busy roads. The honking of horns on busy roads. Loud music can also be very disturbing if the volume is turned up for hours. Very loud noise can damage the ear, cause sleeplessness, and in older people can lead to deafness. Of course, जो म्यूज़िक आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता तो उससे क्या होता है, आप ही डिस्टर्ब होते हैं. अच्छा म्यूज़िक होगा जो आपके कान को भी अच्छा लगे तो उसमें आपको सुकून होता है. यू फील प्लेजेंट. एंड विच साउंड यू डू नॉट लाइक इज कॉल्ड unpleasant sound. Okay. You will do the reading and and trying to find the answer. I will give you the exercise also, but you will also try to find the answer. Okay, thank you.